How to change speed or tempo in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and load the audio file you want to edit by clicking on File and then selecting Open. Once your file is loaded, make sure it's highlighted in the waveform display. Now, go to the top menu and click on Effects. Then choose Time and Pitch Adjust. A window will appear with two main options: Time Stretch and Pitch Shift. To change the speed or tempo, focus on the Time Stretch section. Here you will see a slider and a percentage box. The default is set to 100%, which means the original speed. Increase the value above 100% to make the audio faster, or reduce it below 100% to slow it down. For example, setting it to 120 makes it play faster and 80% makes it slower. After adjusting the percentage, click Apply to save the effect. Now, play the audio to hear how it sounds. Finally, to save your edited file, go to File, click on Save As, and choose a new name so your original file remains unchanged. And that's it. Now you know how to change speed or tempo in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.